Secretary General of International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. ICAO is the United Nations specialized agency responsible for the developing of international standards in the safety and security, and also to assist the states to implement the standards. Aviation is a dynamic industry, and its contribution is significant to the national economy and social progress. Globally, aviation contributes 3.5% to global GDP, and also to carry out half of the 1.3 billion passengers annually by tourists. And of course, aviation has also other fundamental functions to help the societies in order to make better life of the citizens. For instance, to using aircraft for the emergency aids, and using aircraft for the business such as to the forest, and to for the emergency earthquake relief, and one of the fundamental contribution aviation is to connect people and connect the world, and make people to understand each other, and also to make the people can do the business in the fastest way, and to meet the needs of the people. Nowadays, aviation continues to grow, and by our forecast, by 2030, our traffic volume will be doubling. That means 100,000 daily flights in 2016, supported and managed safely by our global aviation system, will be doubled to 200,000 daily flights by 2030. And the traffic volume I just mentioned for the tourists, and in terms of passenger, is 3.6 billion in 2016 carried out by air transport. So by 2030, this number will be doubling. That means we need to be prepared in terms of infrastructure capacity as well as human capacity. So we need to have more and more young boys and girls to join us in this dynamic sector. However, nowadays we are facing challenges. Only 3% of pilots are women out of the worldwide commercial pilots. And in terms of CEOs of airlines around the world, we only have 5% are female CEOs. Looking forward the doubling of traffic, and looking forward the significant demands in the workforce of aviation sector, you can understand how important we enhance gender equality in aviation sector. We should attract more and more girls and young women to join us in this aviation sector. So that's why it's extremely important for the governments, for the industries, for the academias, for the universities, working together to promote these important endeavors. And for me, as the first female Secretary General of ICAO, I made it as my personal priority and a commitment to help in the industry to promote these endeavors. As you also know, 39th Assembly, which has been held last year in Montreal, our headquarters, our member states endorsed Assembly resolution on gender equality. This resolution calls for the member states to work together to promote gender equality, to provide opportunities to the women and to the young professionals and to the girls to join this sector to attract them, to provide opportunity, let them to have a career development opportunity to grow. So let's working together. I think it's time for us to promote intensively and to promote further gender equality in the aviation sector. So I'm confident with all our efforts from governments, from universities, from industries, and from academias, and more important, from everyone to work together to promote the gender equality, to get more and more young people, in particular young girls, to join this dynamic sector. Thank you.